So, you use your fingernail like this, protecting your flesh too. Parang guide to create that initial bite.
I was there at the moment the stars came alive, and that's when I hold the light in your eyes. I get lost in the open ocean of time. I can feel every wave, every breath that you breathe. Like we're both reaching out through the mist of a dream, and your voice is the sound calling to me.
I'm going to give all of you a brief history of us. It all started during the summer of 2012. Gabakasyon ko sa lola ko, tapos ikaw, dari ka sa Iloilo, kaya ikaw tayo sa ating clearance. When enrollment started, dito na tayo naging somewhat close. Permi galagsanay, permi kasunlugay, kulitay. Ang bali mama ko, hindi ko magmiga during high school. I was very naive and indifferent to a lot of things then, so abakula problema, kaya hindi ko man actually gusto. But I guess I was wrong. A few months into the school year, I found out na gina-signature mo akong pang-apelido, Mr. Lorenzo, #. That's when I started to have feelings for you. They say parents know best. But maybe that one time, they were wrong. And what I thought was right. And you are right. Never since then, I never turned back.
Something about you makes me lose my cool. It's dumb the way you turn me straight into a fool. Ain't fun, girl, you make my heart go like a drum. Ain't never felt this way for anyone. Something about you makes me melt like butter. I try my best to keep calm.
Who could have imagined that when I used Mrs. Lorenzo as my signature in group message when we were in third year high school, I'll become one today. We started a relationship in the most unique way I could have imagined, and I neither regret it nor want to change anything. When we celebrated our first year, ginhambal ko si mo nga abi ko hindi ta magdugay biskan 1 month lang. But here we are, getting married today after 10 years and 10 months of being girlfriend and boyfriend.
For the past 11 years, through all the struggles and challenges we faced, you showed me how to be a resilient, patient, and strong man. Despite the distance between us, you were always there for me. Albeit digitally, but you were always there.
We built our relationship with trust, patience, gratitude, understanding, love, and especially with God at the center of everything.
I vow to trust, respect, and support you. I vow to cherish and love you unconditionally. And I vow to continue pouring my heart out for you until the end of time.
As we walk through life together, we will make a lot of silly mistakes and could argue like kids. In all of those moments, know that I will not go anywhere, anytime.
This special day and forever, as I give you my hand, my heart, and my soul, I promise to be your partner through life's ups and downs. I promise to always stand by your side, and I promise to protect and care for you always.
Bow with me standing here today as your wife, in front of God, our family, friends, all I can say, I'm currently living an answered prayer life.
From this day onwards, my heart is forever yours.
I love you.
I love you.
Thank you.